Alex won 3,000 from a video editing contest. If he puts his money in a bank account that earns 2.9% interest compounded annually, how much total interest he earns in 10 years? Solve it manually. We need to use this equation. So P is the principal. If he puts 3,000 his money in a bank account, interest rate which is 2.9%. If we divided that by 100, that is 0.029. So basically, that 8% is divided into 1 so that his account is credited with interest every year. 1 plus 0.029 divided by 1. 1 times 10 is 10. Copy down 3,000. Multiply 1.029 times 10 is 1.3309255. Multiply 3,000 times 1.3309255 is 3,992.78 is the total interest he earns in 10 years. Harry borrows 1,200 from a bank with 8% simple interest per year. How much will have to pay back total in 2 years? Solve it manually. We need to use the simple interest equation. Let's get first the interest rate r divided by 100, so we have 8% divided by 100 is 0.8 per year. The principal is 1,200 that Harry borrows, then 1 plus the interest rate and times by 2 years, or the time is equals to 1,392. So 1,392 he need to pay back total in 2 years. Mark borrows 79,000 for 2 years and earned 10,017 of simple interest. Calculate his interest rate. So the interest rate required to accumulate simple interest of 10,017 from a principal of 79,000 over 2 years. The answer is 0.06339873. To get the interest rate, converting our decimal to a percentage is we need to multiply it by 1,000. So the interest rate is 6.3399% per year. Fritz took out a loan for 195,000 pesos to purchase a car at a 4.3% interest rate compounded annually. How much will be the loan be in 5 years? We need to use this equation, or the compound interest equation. So P is the principal that Fritz took out a loan for 195,000. Interest rate which is 4.3%. If we divided that by 100, that is 0.33. So basically that 4.3% divided into 1 so that his account credited with interest every year. 1 plus 0.029 divided by 1, and 1 times 5 is 5. Copy down the principal, multiply it by 1.043 times 5 is 1.2343023. Multiply 195,000 times 1.3309255 is 240,689 is the loan be in 5 years. Find the principal for a loan that has an earned interest of 3,500 with an annual rate of 10% for 5 years. First, converting our percent to our decimal, then solving our equation. The principal required to accumulate interest of 3,500 on a rate of 10% per year for 5 years is 7,000, the total principal for a loan. If the interest earned was 55.20 on an investment of 230 that has a rate of 3%. How long was the money invested? So, first converting our percent to our a decimal, then solving our equation, the time required to accumulate simple interest of 55.20 from a principal of 230 at an interest rate of 3% per year. So the answer will be 8 years long will be the money invested. Diane wants to open a showroom and borrows 38,000 on 12 interest rate. She plans to pay this after 4 years. What will be the principal plus interest in 10 years? First, converting our percent to our decimal, then solving our equation. The simple interest accumulated on a principal of 48,000 at a rate of 12% per year for 4 years is 23,040, or principal plus interest will be 71,040 she will earn in 10 years.